Welcome, man. Welcome back to the channel. Real quick, I am at the car show in Atlanta. All the manufacturers packed up their product and shipped it all to Atlanta this weekend. Okay, so they've been here all week actually. From Wednesday, they're gonna be here from Wednesday up to Sunday. All right, so I'm here today about to look around. I'm gonna look at some different makes. Okay, I'm very familiar already with Mopar and Fiat's products, so I'm gonna walk around and look at some different makes and models. But what I want to do real quick, I want to take this time out to thank everybody. Thank YouTube for, get this, 8,000 subscribers. All right, that's right, guys. I just crossed the 8,000 subscriber mark, and I want to thank everybody that subbed the channel, everybody that commented on the channel, everybody that, all the interaction, everything. I want to thank everybody for everything. There's a couple of guys I want to call out, but I'm afraid if I do that, the ones that I don't call out or I forget to call out, I might hear about it. So, but you know who you are, special YouTube cats. You know who you are. Some here in the States, some not here in the States. Let me put it like that. But I just want to thank everybody, man. 8,000 subscribers is a lot. I've worked hard for those 8,000, and I'm sure there's more to come. Okay, I just have to reach a broader audience. All right, so appreciate all the interaction, everything. Now, I still stand by the fact that because I'm getting a lot of people who just come in and want quick answers. Now, what I'm gonna wind up doing is, guys, is because I run into this problem a lot. Guys seem to want to ask me questions in the middle of them repairing a car or working on a car. That is extremely hard to do, guys. Let me give you some advice. If you're actually working on a car and you need answers from me, I suggest you do not, how can I put this? Because, you know, I have a day job too, so it's hard for me to drop what I'm doing and stop what I'm doing to answer a question. So if you have like, and you're in the middle of a repair and you need something answered, I highly suggest you may wait or put it on hold until you get an answer from me. Or, in other words, this has happened, and I'm trying to see how a way to prevent it. Now, I'm gonna eventually wind up starting a what you call a subscription where you guys, on the tip of my tongue, I'm gonna end up starting one of those Patreon's account. I'm gonna end up starting a Patreon account, and that would be a whole lot quicker way for anybody to get in touch with me right away. Just in case you need to know something or you got a question, okay? That's gonna be the only way, because right now I'm all over the place, okay? I mean, I'm taking on the petty questions. There's no petty question. There's no such thing as a dumb question. I'm taking on all questions, and it takes up a lot of my time. So for the ones that really gonna need to get in touch with me fairly quickly, I'm gonna end up starting a Patreon account, and you're gonna be a subscriber, and you will have immediate access to information. Okay, I ain't gonna say me, because I have a team. I'm starting to put together a team, so you will have access real quickly to the information that you need. Okay, that may not come from a form of a book or Google or text or anything like that. You will have access directly to me. But for now, because I'm stretched out and still taking on all questions and everything, it's kind of hard to get in touch with me right away. So like I said, if you're working on a car, don't plan on me getting back to you in the next minute. One guy was really upset because I couldn't answer his question in a timely fashion. Like I said, I do have a day job, but I didn't come on here for negative, man. I just want to tell everybody thank you for the 8,000 subscribers, guys. Now, like I said, I'm at the car show, so I'm about to get me some footage. I got all the Mopar stuff. I'm finna go over to the Nissan category. As y'all know, I own a 1993 Nissan, so I'm a big fan of Nissan also. Ooh, there's some Hondas over there, Lexus. So I'm about to get me some footage, and I'm gonna bring y'all some of this stuff, man. Stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, and I will get back with y'all. Thanks for watching.